So we are going on. So this is our already compiled file. That's an active application that's already built in our PC after running a particular this code. So I might say we are very done with this code. So going to our file. Our file also have password. So we just need to log in. I have created two separate users, which is a manager and a person who is a worker who is supposed to be entering the data. So the manager is the one who has access to enter the incoming stock, but the only worker has access to dispense. Here is the manager, manager password. So I did put it. So here it's your current inventory. You can do everything here. So I can literally write here example Panado, batch number, one quantity. Maybe I have a new incoming stock is the 10 price per unit. It might be 1000, and the expire date might be 2026. So and our supplier might be Alphabet. So we can enter. We have total incoming inventory. That's so you can confirm and add it. Successful added. So we might go here in dispensing. So since we are the one who is dispensing, the one who is dispensing is a worker. So but refresh the app will ask you a password and login again. So here we are entering as worker. So under this section we divided it so as to make sure that a worker does not have an access to edit your stock information so that he might not steal from you. Okay. So you might forgive me, my English is too a little bit too slow and blunt. Yeah, the password. So we also encrypted it to make sure that only the authorized user is able to enter in your application. Also have dispensing side here. So in under work we have only dispensing inventory and invoices, but in manager we have incoming stock. So because you are the manager, the one who knows how much stock is coming. So here, after we enter the incoming stock, the work of I mean your workers, they should know how to dispense it until their stock is over. So here we start by dispensing Panado because the product which we had. So here Panados, it show we have only one type of Panado, which is batch 112, which we entered there while we were in, manager post. So here we can enter any function. We had quantity it was 10. Here entering quantity it was 15. It will decline because there is no enough stock. So it's an automatic detector. So you should enter the quantity that which is below 10. So here I'm going to put it's like 10. So the customer name I just written that. So I dispensed it and invoice created. Also here the recent transaction. Here Panado batch here customer that one. So current inventory we have zero quantity because we dispensed all the medicine. So if you are with me together, this thing can help you to track everything in Interactive. It even tells you when it's expired, when it's okay, and it notify you when you are near an expired date. Okay. So thank you very much for listening to me. This is my sample and here's my invoice and I have an access to print it too. So everything is working perfectly fine. Thank you, and this is our application. And after creating our application, where do we find it? Let me show you. After I run my project, my application, I created this folder where I run all my coding to ensure that my farmers application is in here. It's in the source code, particularly source code, source trauri code here, particularly in a target, particularly in release. We'll have .x file here known as pharmacy. This is a completely physical PC application that might be used to run in any computer. So I might transfer this file by using a flash or anything. to my customer's computer, which this week was just it was an order from my customer. This customer is from Lindi, so I was just doing his work, and this is his pharmacy inventory. And finally, we did it. So you're welcome, guys, for lessons. I'm teaching for very low price, but for work too, we are doing it, but in a very low price too. You're welcome.